If you're looking for a pre-built that doesn't just play games but dominates them, this is it. Today, we're unboxing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme, and on paper, these specs are actually insane. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Under the hood, we've got the brand new AMD Ryzen 9900X. This 12-core beast is clocked at 4.4 GHz, making it a monster for multitasking and high-end streaming. Paired with 32 GB of blazing fast DDR5 RAM, you won't have to worry about bottlenecks for a long time. But the real star here, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of VRAM. Whether you're pushing 4K resolution or cranking up ray tracing in the latest AAA titles, this card is built for ultra settings. Smooth, it's quiet, and it looks incredible. For storage, you're getting a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. That means near-instant boot times and lightning-fast game loads. It's also Wi-Fi-ready right out of the box and comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home. So you're ready to dive in the second you plug it in. CyberPowerPC really nailed the balance of aesthetics and raw power with this GeForce 8080A41 model. But what do you think? Is the RTX 5070 the upgrade you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives here at 5 Star Gadget Gallery.